In this presentation, we will work a problem related to setting the sales price for a service type company, a service type of job. We're going to have our information up top. We're going to put that information into a table down below. We do recommend setting up your information in Excel worksheets where you have the information up top, whether you have the text and then the numbers in a separate cell so that you can use them to reference to within the answer. Our data up top, we're going to have the direct labor is going to be 74. We're going to say the markup is going to be 30%. And then we're going to have the job that we're considering here, hours 85, and the direct materials 5,100. So we're going to consider the price of the job. We're going to say, all right, we got the direct labor is going to be the 74%, and we're going to say 74% times the 85 hours. So that's going to be the direct labor. We're going to say the direct materials then are what they are for the particular job. We've selected the direct materials and said that they're going to be the 5,100. Now we're going to mark up based on the materials. So we're going to say, all right, the markup is going to be equal to the 5,100 times the 30%. That's going to be that's going to be our markup. So we're going to say the time and materials price is going to be the sum of these items. So we'll just sum that up. That's going to be one technique or one method for setting the price for service type jobs. So obviously we don't have the inventory factor, the cost of goods manufactured and whatnot to deal with within that kind of job setting, within that kind of price setting. So we're going to go up top, but one of the problems, of course, is that the jobs often aren't the same when we talk about service methods. So the jobs are probably going to differ, which means we're going to have to set the price a bit differently than if we had standard units that we were making, such as in a production or reselling type of situation. Okay, so Home tab font will underline. I'm going to select from A12 to B15. We'll go to the Home tab font. We'll make that blue. Home tab font, we'll say this is all borders. Then we'll make this top part Home tab font and black and white. Let's go ahead and double underline this item, Home tab font, double underline.